welcome back. So what you just heard in the intro was basically me strumming some chords, but you heard single notes mixed in with those chords, things like that kind of thing, and what I'm going to show you today is how to play the scale that I'm using with those chords. And it's a really simple, basic scale that actually will become either a major or a minor scale depending on where you start. And so it's kind of a dual purpose thing. You'll have to learn one scale and then take away a note to make it a second scale. So in other words, this is a multitasking kind of thing. You'll be able to use it for both a minor key and a major key. And in another video I'll show you how to move this around, but for now we're going to do just the open pentatonic scale. And when I say it's a dual purpose, we're going to learn the major version and the minor version. We'll start with the minor version because while both scales use the exact same note set, meaning they have, well, pentatonic means 5 tone, so since they have 5 notes that they use, it's the note that we start on that makes it either minor or major. So each scale will contain the notes E, G, A, B, and D. And that's it. Now you'll play more than just 5 notes, but the 6th note that you play is just a repeat of the first note you played. But when we start on one scale, we'll play E, G, A, B, D, and on the other scale we'll play G, A, B, D, E. So same 5 notes, it's just where we start that counts. So let's memorize the minor pentatonic version, and then I'll show you how to make that the major pentatonic, which is basically, again, the same scale. So start on the low string, string number 6, and give me that string open. And for now, pick all of these notes with a down pick. So the next note we're going to play on that string is the 3rd fret, still on the low string. It should sound like that. And let's go back over those. It's open, low string, 3rd fret, low string. And now we go to string 5 and we play open again, and then 2nd fret. Now at this point you've used both 3rd fret and 2nd fret in combination with open strings, and let's stop there and go ahead and figure out what we're going to do with our left hand. So for all of the 3rd fret notes, we're going to use our 3rd finger and let the finger number match the fret number. So that means on the 2nd fret we're going to play 2nd finger. So let's start again and make sure we're observing exactly which finger goes on which fret. So it's open, string 6, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, same string. Now we go to string 5 again and we play open, and then it's 2nd finger, 2nd fret. Now string 4 is exactly the same as that. It's open, followed by 2nd finger, 2nd fret. And then same exact thing on string 3. Open, 2nd finger, 2nd fret. Now string 2 is going to be open, but now 3rd finger, 3rd fret. And then string 1 is the same as that. Open, and then 3rd finger, 3rd fret. Now what we have to do is see the pattern, and then that will help you memorize it. So we know that every string will be played open. The fret pattern is this. It's 3, 2, 2, and then 2, 3, 3. So kind of a reverse symmetry there. 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. If you can lock those numbers up here, it's going to help a lot. The basic plan here is to play the open string and then know what number comes next. In this case, 3 on the low string. Then open, always play open, and then 2. Open, and then 2. And then open again. 2, one last time. Open, 3. Open, and 3 again. Now, before we talk about how to make that major pentatonic scale, let's talk about how to practice this. So the first thing you do, go ahead and commit it to memory, just like we're talking about. 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Or if you know of a better way for you, if it's easier to remember, the low string is 3, followed by 3 strings that use 2nd fret, and then the final are 3. anything that works it's fine. Just go ahead and commit that to memory for sure. And to do that, as you're practicing, just play every note with a down pick. Just as soon as you're able to do this from memory, you can start to pick each note down up. And that means each note will get played twice. And it's just a good practice method to get your hand moving in the right direction. So it'll sound like this. It'll be down up on each note, down up on open, down up on 3, down up on open again, 5th string, now 2nd fret, 4th string open, and notice I'm still picking just down up on each note. 3rd string open, 2nd fret, 2nd string open, 3rd fret, and then 1st string open, and then 3rd fret. And then do that the opposite way. Do the descending version of the scale same way. I'll go through this really fast one time, but you take it slow until you get used to it, but it's going to be down up on each note again, going the opposite direction. Just like that. Next step is to pick down up, but that's on a per note basis. So you'll pick down on the open, up on 3rd fret, then down on the open 5th string, up on 2nd fret, and continue that down, up on each string, down, up, 2nd string, down, then up, and then down on the 1st string, and up, and then reverse, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's how we're going to get used to this. Go ahead and play each note down, commit it to memory, then each note down, up, and then as soon as you're able, start to do the down on the open string, up on the fretted note, and then when you reverse, you're going to do down on the fretted note and up on the open string, just to kind of get used to both directions. In reality, we pick down, up fairly strictly, and then you'll have exceptions that arise because of two adjacent strings being played at the same time, that kind of thing. But just kind of use the down, up, and make it very strict alternation for a while. And then when you run into special cases, if you have questions about them, feel free to ask. I'll help you out with those. But just as a general rule, try to pick down, up as you go on every alternating note.